Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix can't connect to this network error on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Right click at the start button and select run. Now once the run window is here, simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now once this window is up, locate your connection, make a right click, then you have to select properties. Here in the properties window, you will find the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Here we're going to choose the option which is address or automatic to obtain the DNS server address automatically. Also for obtaining an IP address automatically, click on OK and click on close. Then locate your connection again or your network adapter. Make a right click, select disable, and then wait for some time. Make a right click, select enable. Now once that is enabled, then you need to click on your Wi-Fi, and as you can see, you will be reconnected again into your connection. Then for the next method, close this. Right click at the start button, then here you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you will find network adapters. This one. Locate your network adapter. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now once Windows has successfully updated your drivers, you will see that you will be disconnected and then you will be reconnected again. Close this. You can also make a right click on it, select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Do not check this box. Just simply click on the uninstall option. And once you have uninstalled that, simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now once you restart your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver for you. So try on that. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now command prompt will appear under the best match. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Then here I am going to share this command. So first command is netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command netsh space int space ip space reset.log. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. Now type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find network and internet. At the bottom, you will find advanced network settings. And here you will find network reset. Simply click on the reset now button and click on yes. And that will restart your Windows. And after that, you just need to reconnect into your connection. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.